As Ebuka carry in church move from Lagos to Igbo wey be Imo State. As we dey talk right now, they say that the native doctors wey dey for that area don come outside for social media come dey talk say that Ebuka wetin im dey preach e say no be wetin suppose preach, make e no dey tell pipo make they no dey come patronize dem again my brother my sister, e don red e don red this one no be small battle. He say that anywhere we ain't get Ebuka be 1-on-1 ain't go knock am otomokpo. Now I say this one this battle no go be easy but however I will go play the video, make you watch. Do not forget say see there for Balabas Gist. As you dey watch, they share the video and make sure say you dey follow us and also subscribe to all our social media handles. You are helping us as well to bring more videos. As you dey watch am, I know say you like, abeg make you try to share and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very very important, and the way you go take support us now be this. Okay my people, let us jump inside this matter because I don't know who will settle this fight. As it be like this now, I don't talk tired. They say no, Ebuka never. I don't know whether Ebuka don't hear this one but however we will bring and come up more wanna watch am you drop your own opinion. More no have this fight and this battle will take start and how it will take end. We'll give it to one talk for the end of this video. Stay tuned, watch the video.
From that day, you start following our tradition. Ebuka, the CEO of Zion Ministry. And Ebuka never see Siniakuba. Ola never see Siniakuba. Oh yes, who's it? And if you get my phone number, you are go work him on one way and send that message to him. Ebuka he go against the native don't so much, and the more like is here. Send my number for 081 66 92 3844. All my number they had direct. Ebuka up that the years in the man in church aguna. But I must also be preaching at church. But I was here, I got them more than no car. Abu Haida say, stop going to the native doctor. Stop going to water. Why you wrong with that and me? Why are you condemning our tradition? Because we are going to keep that condemn our tradition.
Anybody taking you to a river is destroying your destiny. Anybody telling you to go and do charm is destroying your destiny.
In that condemn in that condemn of the father's land, in that condemn our tradition. Can you make a simple mother? Can you make a simple mother? Hagasan and Miri, or but I'm one million, but I'm more than my is a roar. Or but I almost said that I'm talking because I see you have Kobe. But now I'm put together as a challenge, as open challenge. See Mayor face to face. Sabuna Christian the talks. Mobima cause. No, see Mayor open challenge. Ebuka. I want you to my I want Yaputa. Come on, we can use the field. Messi to a corner field. Ebuka, you will be anointed. You will do your power. You will. You make it up now with the prayer warrior. From that day, I will repent and start going to church. From that day, I will repent and start going to church. Man anywhere now to put a room always yoku. Monobody make it a messia, Muma break a hit. Akbabo. Unkudu Manku to Unana. Ebuka, it happened your Zion Ministry. If you are going to be Mabu. Kameka, now, that was too much. In that wine, 50 times I went to a business. Can you do a business? Although I am not against that one. I'm not against the go to a business. But I am against your speech. You get money for cigar to the team doctor. And then you walk allow. We want to say our tradition. For what? Okay, I think I put it to you. mmadụ ole ka imebere onye ọfụ ụzọ ka ndị isi mebere ha bụ ụzọ ka ndị mmadụ mebere gaa ije kedu onye ọbụla mebere ụwa okwu okwu Ebuka Obi ọ bụrụ isi ndị na-eme onye isi ọfụ ụzọ enwere ndị isi na-ala nmi ka mkpụtara ofu ka ime ka ọfụ ụzọ ọ bụrụ isi ndị na-eme onye ogbe ekwu okwu ọ nwere ndị ogbe mma ka mkpụtara ndị ogbe ka ime ka okwu okwu ọ bụrụ isi na-eme mgbọrọ gaa ije Ebuka Obi ka mkpụtara ndị mgbọrọ mma ka ime onye ọka ọ gaa ije Ebuka Obi ọ bụrụ isi na-eme onye nwụrụ nke obi gị breka bụ na uso onye gbọchụgharị ka ịkpọta ọnwụ na ọnwụ I am asking you Ebuka Obi na na-eme ntụrụ na ị na-aga ụlọ ọgwụ ma ihe na-arịa ahụ ị na-eme na ị na-arịa ahụ na ị na-aga ụlọ ọgwụ ndị na-eme ihe ebe kuriba ka ike gwụrụ stop what you receive ndị be is not good stop what you na-agba ndị mmadụ ka atọ nụọ against our tradition is not good Ebuka Obi ọ bụ mụnwa bụ ekenye itinere under 4 days onwe onye ịma mma gbụrụ ọgwụ awele onwe onye ịma na-eme ihe mgbe ihe ọ na-eme ada aga aka Ebuka Obi nwere onye eme sampụl na mma gbụrụ ọgwụ under 4 days ya onye a confirm ọgwụ na-ele under 4 days mana ọnwa mmiri akụrụ ị na-asị niile eme ị na-eme onye isi ọfụ ụzọ mere mgbọrọ ọ gaghị ije a sị ka mgbe ego otu onye ka ị mara m ya ka ọfụ ụzọ maka ime onye bụ ka okwu okwu maka ime mgbọrọ ka ọ gaghị ije why are you receiving our people a sị ngịrị ya bụ open challenge si na bịa na field onye mgbe agbana onye ọgwụ anụ na onye ọgwụ agwụ na maka ya gbana ọgwụ ndị nwe toks onye ike ekena kama si mee ya as open challenge ndị na field ndị nwa bụ Ebuka Obi were ya anointing were ya power with your prayer warrior make that better move back hit ada in the name of anointing from that day I will start going to church obodi na nwa ya move ebe ko ogwu kem from that day you start following our tradition obodi meri amu gi mana mu meri angu obodi meri amu mana mu meri agu we go I akwụsị ikwu against each other here I go too much sipa mozia ko ru Ebuka Obi ngiri nwa Ebuka Obi nte the Zatara ministry ka egwu ka o si arie ruo ha nte gbe na mosia ya kwụsị ide ekwu to ndị tradition ya kwụsị ide ekwu against native doctors enough is enough onye anụ ọbụla gba n'ọwụ ya onye mụrụ ka ọ na-eme emesi ike ọ bụrụ ịbụ onye ụka ịra kasị uche ụka ike ọ bụrụ ebe iburu ọdịnala for ya online and learn from my online ofu chi agwasị na nwata ọnụ otu fight isi nke ọzọ na ọtịra mma ihe asị gbaa mbọ mee ka Ebuka Obi ka olu ozi ya kwuru akasị ya.
My wonderful people, shebi you don't hear am. For most of una, we don't understand the Igbo. He said the kind juju wey he go send go give Ebuka Obi. He say if he give am, if he no fall, he go know wetin cause am. Now see this one, he go red o. Abeg, if una wan start am, make una let me know. May I take cover because I no know how to defend when that automobile pass. However, I get wetin one talk. Our people, ndị Igbo biko nzukwe n'ike. Unu zukwe n'ike, unu zukwe n'ike. Zukwena n'ike ndị Igbo ogene do wetin dey happen ogene unu zo ike agada agbafura ya agbafuru na social media unu zo ike ogene dey zo n'ike my people I talk to they don't understand wetin I talk but however wetin we get to talk here na be say no matter what wey dey happen between Ebuka Obi and the complaint wey this native doctor carry come, I wan ask am, you don go meet Ebuka Obi one-on-one, tell am my brother, this thing wey you dey talk like this, e good? Maybe may you hear from Ebuka Obi so that una go settle am than coming to social media to come tell also. But however, we say we bring am come show our people make they know wetin dey go. Say Ebuka Obi never even stay 1 week. Native doctors don dey come dey talk how they go take knack am otomobo. E don red. Abeg, more na share the video and make sure say you drop your own opinion in comment section.